Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey, so please do your homework first and get permission from your doctor. Well, the video you're about to watch, week 27, I was down to 265 pounds exactly. Well, here it is, week 188.89, because I'm at the beginning of the week 189, and I'm down to the exact same weight, okay? Now, on August 17, 2020, officially, I started my weight loss journey on 325 pounds, and from 27 weeks to that date, I lost 60 pounds. Well, I'm still 60 pounds down from that date, and I had my weight down to as low as 200 pounds a couple of times, and I want to get down to that again. So I've been going through some of my older videos to see what I did and what I hadn't done. Now, I talked about that video that I wanted to go skydiving. Well, I still want to do skydiving, but I'm going to push it off till I'm 70, a couple more years. And you know, I was talking about my back and how bad it was and everything like that, and come to find out all that time it was my hips, and I'm still having issues with my back, but I'm realizing now more than ever it's not my hips, it's always been my back because I've been so damn stinking heavy. And I realized that when I was down to the 200 range, I wasn't having any more back issues. So, you know, it's imperative that I get out there and get healthy again and get my weight under control. You know, I'm not making any pity parties, I don't have any excuses, but the hard reality is, you know, again, food has always been a roadblock in my life, and it's causing me to have all kinds of bad food choices and bad decisions where I've gained weight from it. So this coming weekend, we're now going carnivore for a few days, and we'll keep going with it until I want to go back to keto. But you know, Dr. Barry's video this morning that I watched, he said, you know, carnivore takes about 4 to 6 weeks before you start really noticing a difference on your health. I got a lot of bad autoimmune disease with skin issues and dry, flaky, crusty skin and that sort of thing. So, you know, we're going to just keep going with it and hope for the best and see what happens. And if I have to break off the keto, I'll go to keto for 1 or 2 days. But, you know, I'm all out of keto stuff. I got to get some more keto junk at the end of the week. And you know, I'm trying to get a job to help me out a little bit because money's tight right now with the economy and everything. And we're just going to take 1 day as God gives it to me. But yeah, and then yesterday I took one for the team, so maybe this topic will be one for the team then and now, you know, because, you know, I went down to the reservoir down Showlands, and, you know, I ran into those thorns with the bushes going along the pathway, and I got all full of pickers and scratches all over my body now on the bottom of my feet. Plus my shoes came back all muddy and soaked and wet. So I got that all cleaned up yesterday, but I'm hurting today with a lot of scratch marks on my legs, and my feet and my legs are bad enough as it is, and my feet started cracking a little bit again, so now I gotta get some more foot treatments on my feet again. So these are some of the things that I'm dealing with. Now, if you what kind of stuff are you dealing with? You know, I don't know. But, you know, again, I'm always looking for a partner to do some videos with, and some walking buddies, and, you know, if you want to do a, you know, video with me every week, we can motivate each other, and even if you don't live locally, and we can do a cooking thing together, any sort of thing like that. And I'm open to all ideas, and, you know, just out there trying to help you. But what I'm going to do is put both videos up on the timeline, like today's video and the one from week 27. And the facial comparison is quite a difference. And I'm going to see if I can find one when I actually hit my 200 pounds back in June of 2022, I believe. And I don't remember what week it was, but if I can, I'll do a split with that one too, so you can see the difference between then and now and then. And it's pretty interesting, and this is why you know, again, when you're doing carnivore and weight loss, always get measurements in your body and everything before you start. Get a weight scale, take full frame photographs. And I try to be consistent with the photographs, and I try to take them all in the same spot, so it helps me to do a nice, really comparison, you know. But I would encourage each one of you not to give up. I mean, I'm certainly not going to give up. I have a lot of appointments coming up this month, and I'm still searching for a job somewhere. And so be that as said, I'm going to let you guys go. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for coming along with my journey. And hope you had an amazing week. Now, when this video plays, I'm going to have, it'll be set up as a premiere, so I'll be able to watch the chat type and talk to you guys directly. And, you know, chat type talk. Anyway, but I'll probably set this up for midweek, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. You guys have an amazing week. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, don't ever give up, you know, because again, we have a lot of bad weeks, and we're going through some times right now, but you know, we're not giving up and we're not giving in. But anyways, have an amazing day. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to Ron's Weight Loss Journey. And Ron, well, if you're new to my YouTube channel, could you please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel where you'll get the latest videos of my weight loss journey. Just a recap of my week. Today is February 22nd. It is also week 27 if you're counting my weeks going back to September 1st. We officially started our weight loss journey on August 17th. That was 325 pounds. And I started to do a weight loss journey on the ketogenic lifestyle. And so this past week, what do we do for activity this week? Well, it's been a very, very cold week here in the Northeast. We had some more snow. The roads are very icy and slippery most of the time, so I really didn't do too much street walking like I would have liked to. So we ended up going down to the gym, and we did the treadmill one day. We did 10 minutes on the treadmill, and then I got home, and then my back started acting up again. So I'm having second thoughts about the gym right now, because it seems like every time I go down there, I'm either on the bike or the treadmill, or I try to do the kettlebell weights, and it just hurt my back too much. And for me, the best thing that I can do to keep the exercise and get the exercise I need is just go walking. And so what we got planned for this coming week is probably we're going to go walking in the mall area, where it's going to be a lot safer without all the ice. This coming midweek is supposed to start warming up to the mid-40s. Maybe that'll get rid of some of the snow on the sidewalk, so I can start walking on the sidewalk. Now, I did send out for a pair of snow grips this past week. I went up to the DeLauer estate yesterday, and I tried to do some walking up that way. I got as far as the bridge before you cross the street, and my feet started slipping all over the place, and I said, no, this isn't going to work out. And I was talking to some hikers that were coming back from the DeLauer estate, and one of them had a pair of snowshoes, like a tennis racket type snowshoes, and I was talking to another guy this past week, and he said, yeah, Ron, the snow is about 1.5 feet deep in some spots. If you're not careful, you're going to really go flying. So I thought against my better judgment. So it is what it is, but we got better days coming. We're not giving up keto. And so how did they do on keto? Well, not too good, actually. This is all about ups and downs and trial and errors. And I actually gained 4 pounds, so my weight went back up to 265, which I'm not going to sweat the small stuff. I can explain why it went up. I went to our local BJ's wholesale distributor today, this past week, and I bought some of these little Skippy peanut butter bites, and I ended up eating almost a whole bag in a couple of sittings, and that was part of it. And then I bought something called keto crackers, and I thought they were keto crackers, but even though they were smart keto crackers, this is why you really got to read the label and watch what you're eating, and be vigilant about that. Because when I got home after I had my 44 was the serving size according to the bag size, and said 44 crackers were like 27 carbs. So I said, holy moly. So 27 carbs, if you're doing 20 net carbs a day like I am, you can see why I picked up a couple extra pounds this past week. So like I said, we're not going to sweat the small stuff. Right back on keto, back basic this week. We did buy a Instant Pot, a 6-quart, and we plan on making some some more keto meals with the 6-quart this coming week. Today we're making cabbage rolls with the 6-quart using cauliflower for rice, and the basic recipe for cauliflower, the basic recipe for cabbage rolls. So that'll be good. Now we had an 8-quart cabbage. We had an 8-quart pressure cooker, but we downsized to a 6. We're still going to use the 8-quart, but it's taking up an awful lot of room on my counter, and I haven't got much counter space. And I was researching on how to film recipes, and I need to send out for a overhang tripod to make that all work. There's a lot of people doing recipes on YouTube for the Instant Pot, and I just thought maybe on my channel I'll just show you how I'm losing weight with the Instant Pot. I've had the 8-quart now for a couple of months, and I really love it. It's been helping me to lose weight and keep my weight off, and you get phenomenal flavors out of your food. They're not that hard to use. And so that's about all I got to say. I don't know what do we got coming up this week. When the weather breaks, we're planning on doing some more walking this coming week. My back has been really terrible again. I'm just taking it slow and easy. I'm always trying to stay on the positive side and the upbeat side of things. This shirt that I'm wearing is a 1X shirt. I feel really good about that. I did have the scale victory with clothes. Now, I noticed a lot of you guys have been posting a lot of photograph posts and of your photos and your journey posts, which is really great. But and a lot of you guys have been struggling and stalling and stuff like that. But you know, guys, you just can't give up. I don't intend to give up. I still have many more pounds to lose. I'm at 265. My goal is to get down to about 180, and then we have the bucket list to go and skydive when I can get rid of another 40 more pounds, which I'm hoping probably around summertime when that happens. And I know when I can start walking 3 to 5 miles every day, which is going to happen pretty quick when the snow is all gone. The weight will fly off of me, and I have no doubt in my mind that it will. It just, right now, I just can't get too much exercise and without hurting myself. So I'm just taking it easy and being vigilant on what I've been eating and staying within my calorie count and my carb count, which I do 20 net carbs a day, and I do 1,500 calories or less a day on my calories. And I've been noticing that I'm a coffee connoisseur. I love my coffee, but yesterday I had wicked heartburn after drinking a 3rd cup of coffee. So now it's got me rethinking on the coffee intake in the morning. I'm cutting down to like 1, 2, and then eventually I'm going to try to wheel myself off of coffee because it's just tearing out my stomach too much. But yeah, so that's about all I got to say. Other than that, have a great week, have a good month, and remember, you guys are always amazing. And stay healthy and stay safe and stay warm.